Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we're comparing two powerful offerings from XFX, the Speedster QICK319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which card is right for your gaming needs. Let's dive in. The XFX Speedster QICK319 Radeon RX 6750 XT is designed for solid 440p gaming performance, making it a great choice for gamers looking for a balance of quality and price. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 excels in high-end performance, delivering smooth frame rates and stunning visuals even at 4K resolutions. This makes it ideal for demanding gamers and content creators who require top-tier graphics capabilities. When it comes to memory, the XFX Speedster QICK319 Radeon RX 6750 XT features 12GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios. However, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 boasts a generous 16GB of GDDR6 memory, allowing for better performance in memory-intensive applications and future-proofing for upcoming games that demand more resources. Price is always a crucial factor in choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster QICK319 Radeon RX 6750 XT is priced at $399, making an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. On the other hand, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 comes at a premium price of $789, reflecting its superior performance and features. This price difference highlights the trade-off between affordability and high-end capabilities. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster QICK319 Radeon RX 6750 XT and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 have their strengths. The Speedster offers great value for 1440p gaming, while the Quicksilver is a powerhouse for 4K gaming. Depending on your needs and budget, either card could be a fantastic choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more